Good morning. Here we are, it's Friday the 7th of October here at the StormMeister testing facility in Preston, Lancashire, and the time is 10:51. We're testing this StormMeister rapid assembly flood barrier. As you can see, we've got the height to 1800, 1.8 meters, and the barrier is performing very well. We did have the barrier is it's only a temporary fix, and we did have a problem with water getting around the side channels. But that seems to have stopped now. But do bear in mind it's a temporary fix, so what we're really interested in this morning is the performance of the rapid assembly barrier. So let me just have a look now on the other side. Okay, now here we are on what will be the inside. The flood water on the other side. You can see there's a few droplets coming down, but I mean, bearing in mind that this is treble the height of the industry 600 standard, I think it's performing pretty well. There's some water in the bottom here. Now that is what was coming around the side channels, but now that seems to have stopped. So, and as I say, the side channels is only a temporary fix, so, but it does seem to have stopped. Active flood sealing on the side channels, eh? No, I'm only joking. It was it's sealant, and probably the sealant isn't properly dry or properly cured. But there we go. That seems pretty good to me. Thank you very much.